Somebody's gonna get angry at the sound of voice.
Shut up with the highly reflective. Now I have to start over. Hey, how's it going? So the other day, Palm announced the release date for the the really awesome looking new phone, which is widely touted to be the closest thing to an iPhone killer that has yet come down the pipe. There's lots of speculation about when it was going to get released, and now they're saying June 6th at a pretty good price, like $199 after mail-in rebate. I'm not a Palm Pre fanboy, but it's a pretty neat looking phone, I have to admit, and I actually like the idea that they were announcing a couple of these before the WWDC when Apple is widely expected to be announcing the next version of the iPhone. Now, why is this cool? I mean, basically, they've got a couple options. They can go the same day, in which case no one pays attention because, oh, look, the iPhone's out. Oh, it's the Palm Pre. Is there something on your shoe? It's Palm Pre on your shoe? Or they can go after, in which case, oh, look, the iPhone came out, and oh, Palm Pre, now it's a response to the iPhone 3, 4, whatever the hell. But if they come out first, they're the cool new phone, and for most people, see, here's the thing. Apple fanboys, computer tech industry folks, most people actually don't follow this stuff moment to moment, so most people don't even know there's a new phone coming down the pipe. Like, I mean, seriously, the average person who's going to buy this phone, buy the iPhone 3, 4, whatever, they don't know, they don't care, they're just going to walk into the phone store and buy the new phone. So right now, they're going to actually hear on June 6th, they're going to be like, oh, here's commercials for the Palm Pre, what a neat new phone. And then a couple weeks later, Apple goes, hey, we've got a neat phone too, and they're going to look like they're responding to the Palm Pre, which is pretty awesome, actually. I think that's pretty clever. So, Apple, you look like you're trying to play catch-up. You might actually do a really good job, but I think it's pretty clever of Palm to make your big-ass play look like a Me Too. Yeah, suck on that.
Somebody's gonna get angry at the sound of voice. With all the clicks and clacks, well, that's all you'd ever